That's how the time hard. And we say dirty toughy rough a yard, yeah. Babylon and Rasta youth not tread the same road. Cause politician them a mix up in a crime. I tell the youth he must a prayer for them leave out. Because it's so hard for trust mankind. And enough of them out there a madman in a clean clothes. The system manipulate the youth's mind. I forgive thanks for every blessing in this life of mine. We living in a perilous time, yo. On to the days of Marcus Garvey teachings. On to the days when we're proud without bleaching. On to the days when we unite and fight. Stand up for something else, you fall for anything. Well, one to the time I love my brother and my sister. One to the days of serving and listening. The most high blessings is insisting. It's unfortunate for some youths become victims. The most high rules and reigns. We overcome the struggles on the road and lane. I tell you say we nah miss the Zion chain. We always a call upon his majesty name. I watch how them a indoctrinate the youths fit on failure. Low vibration, see them a glorify jailer. Stay far when you see them witchcraft behavior. No look for no cross for no savior. Oi. One to the days of Marcus Garvey teachings. One to the days when we're proud without bleaching. One to the days when we unite and fight. Stand up for something else, you fall for anything. Well, one to the time I love my brother and my sister. One to the days of serving and listening. The most high blessings is insisting. It's unfortunate for some youths become victims. Babylon and Rasta youth not tread the same road. Cause politician them a mix up in a crime. I tell the youth he bust a prayer for them leave out. Because it's so hard for trust mankind. And enough of them out there a madman in a clean clothes. The system manipulate the youth's mind. I forgive thanks for every blessing in this life of mine. We living in a perilous time, yo. One to the days of Marcus Garvey teachings. One to the days when we're proud without bleaching. One to the days when we unite and fight. Stand up for something else, you fall for anything else. One to the time I love my brother and my sister. One to the days of serving and listening. The most high blessings is insisting. It's unfortunate for some youths become victims. One to the days of Marcus Garvey teachings. One to the days when we're proud without bleaching. One to the days when we unite and fight. Stand up for something else, you fall for anything. Well, one to the time I love my brother and my sister. One to the days of serving and listening. The most high blessings is insisting. It's unfortunate for some youths become victims. Don't become a victim, yeah. One beat the system, yeah. Don't become a victim, yeah. One fight the system, yeah. Get the youth them wise and rise up in no eyes, yeah. Realize the lies what them a tell, yeah. Babylon, yeah. Watch there, see them there. See the Babylon.